Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I wanna show you how to remove this plastic cover for the handle that you can adjust your seat on Ford Focus. This is MK4, but it's basically same for the Fiesta, C-Max. Older models have a little bit different plastic, but it's basically the same principle. So let me show you. So what you wanna do, you wanna put it fully up like this, and then you pull it like that. So you can see once this bad boy breaks, then it's kind of loose and wibbly, and then you lose it sometimes. So yeah, and how you put it back, so this one goes like this. So you go like that and like this. So if you wanna take it out, you pull it from the back. If you wanna turn it new one back to it, so you go like that, and then you just click it. You can hear that sound, and now you can see it's good. So I hope this will help you. If you have any other questions on how to Ford Focus, Fiesta, whatever, write in comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one.